nagpapasalamat sa Bellman Corporation.
Si Bellman ay nagiging bahagi na ng journey ni EJ for the last 18 years in this industry.
As I recall, since my father started, maganda naman yung bentahan ng mga Bellman products.
Subok yung produkto, binibili talaga, nakakatulong at hinahanap ng mga consumers.
Maganda ang kanilang produkto, may kalidad at madaling ibenta.
We want to make sure we always have consistent results.
First of all, I was appalled by the turnover of our distributors. Number two, ang isang nakaka-touch is their commitment.